Tip number 1 for Japanese maple bonsai. And this mistake quietly damages more trees than almost anything else. Too much direct sun. Japanese maple leaves are delicate. When a bonsai sits in strong afternoon sun, especially during summer, the edges of the leaves often begin to dry and turn brown. Most beginners assume something is wrong with the tree itself, but usually it is simply heat. In nature, Japanese maples often grow beneath taller trees where the light is softer and filtered. So the goal for your bonsai is bright light, but protection from the harshest part of the day. Morning sun is ideal. Light afternoon shade keeps the foliage healthy and vibrant. But sun is only the first problem. The next one is even more common. Tip number 2 is watering. Japanese maple bonsai like their soil to stay evenly moist, but they hate sitting in wet soil. If the soil dries out completely, the fine feeder roots struggle very quickly. But if the soil stays soaked for too long, those same roots lose oxygen. Instead of watering on a strict schedule, watch the soil. When the surface begins to feel slightly dry, that is usually the moment to water thoroughly. Let the water run through the drainage holes so the entire root system is refreshed. Tip number 3 is feeding during the growing season. Japanese maples respond very well to steady feeding through spring and early summer. Gentle feeding supports healthy foliage and helps the tree build energy for the rest of the season. As late summer approaches, feeding should gradually ease off so the tree slows down naturally before autumn. Now here is something interesting. Japanese maples usually give a warning sign before they start struggling. Look closely at the leaves. If you see brown edges or crispy tips, this is often the first signal the tree is experiencing too much heat or inconsistent watering. Most struggling Japanese maple bonsai I see show this exact pattern. Once the tree is moved to softer light and watering becomes more stable, the next flush of leaves normally returns to healthy growth. And when a Japanese maple bonsai is happy, the reward is spectacular. Fresh leaves in spring, elegant layers through summer, and then in autumn the tree transforms into brilliant shades of red, orange, and gold. If you enjoy simple bonsai tips like this, consider subscribing to Bonsai Barn. I share practical bonsai guides like this every week, and I'm curious. Do you already grow a Japanese maple bonsai, or are you thinking about starting one? Let me know in the comments.